Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you the absolute best way to sear a steak in a Z-Grill pellet grill. I started out and I tried the usual tricks for searing a steak. It worked okay, not great. But then I figured out the hack. It's boneheaded simple. It lets you make a beautiful steak that looks like this. This guy has beautiful grill marks, wonderful color, and is easy to grill. Let me show you how I did it. Alright guys, so here's the trick I found for searing a steak on a Z-Grill. You take out the grease tray. You take out the heat deflector. And you put a set of GrillGrate panels directly over the firepot. Now we're getting hot. Get in there. Yeah. 660. It's around 580 down here. Oh, I got a little 700. Anyhow. Hot. Alright, we got a steak on here. Let's hear some sizzling. Get this lubed up, a little bit of fat off the steak. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's what we want to hear right there. That's a good sizzle. This is a pretty thin steak. It's not going to take very long to cook. Probably let it go a minute. Give it a turn, then flip it. Alright, it's been about a minute. Let's give the steak a little turn. Get the crosshatch going. Another little press. Oh, this is going to be pretty, guys. This is going to be real pretty. Alright, let's close it back up. Alright, let's turn this bad boy over, see what she looks like. How about it? Do we get a sear this time? Oh, mama. Wow. Check that out. That's just about perfect. Cool, I'm gonna finish the steak up. Let's get into this guy, see how she looks. Oh, looks like I may have took her a little bit too far. Still got some pink in there. That's all right. Just playing around today. I'll get better next time. All right, here's what counts. How's this bad boy taste? As someone used to say, that's delicious. All right, guys. So that's how you sear a steak on a Z-Grill pellet grill. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Be awesome. Grill happy. I'll catch you next time. Bye.